Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to share your photos fast with iCloud link. First of all, you have to go to iCloud.com and log into your iCloud account. After that, you're just going to go to library. You're going to basically choose the photos you like. I'm just going to choose this one photo, which I want to share and send someone with a link. And after that, you're just gonna go here on the right side where it is on those three dots where it says more. You're gonna click on that, and after that, you're just gonna click share. After that, you're gonna go and click copy link, and your link will be generated. And as you can see, here it is. After that, you just basically copy the link and send it to anyone you want. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how simple it is. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!